black pepper essential oil benefits you won't believe. Black pepper is one of the most widely used spices on the planet. It's valued not only as a flavoring agent in our meals, but also for a variety of other purposes, such as medicinal uses, as a preservative and in perfumery. In recent decades, scientific research has explored the many possible benefits of black pepper essential oil, such as relief from aches and pains, lowering cholesterol, detoxifying the body and enhancing circulation, among many more. Here is the 10 black pepper essential oil benefits. 1. Relieves aches and pains. Because of its warming, anti-inflammatory and antispasmodic properties, black pepper oil works to reduce muscle injuries, tendinitis, and symptoms of arthritis and rheumatism. 2. Aids digestion. Black pepper oil may help ease the discomfort of constipation, diarrhea and gas. In vitro and in vivo animal research has shown that depending on the dosage, black pepper's piperin exhibits antidiarrheal and antispasmodic activities, or it can actually have a spasmodic effect, which is helpful for constipation relief. Overall, black pepper and piperin appear to have possible medicinal uses for gastrointestinal motility disorders such as irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. 3. Lowers cholesterol. An animal study on the hypolipidemic, lipid-lowering, effect of black pepper in rats fed a high-fat diet showed a decrease in the levels of cholesterol, free fatty acids, phospholipids and triglycerides. Researchers found that supplementation with black pepper elevated the concentration of HDL, good, cholesterol and reduced the concentration of LDL, bad, cholesterol and VLDL, very low density lipoprotein cholesterol in the plasma of rats fed high-fat foods. This is just some of the research that points toward using black pepper essential oil internally to reduce high triglycerides and improve total cholesterol levels. 4. Has antiviral properties. The long-term use of antibiotics has resulted in the evolution of multi-drug resistant bacteria. Research published in Applied Microbiology and Biotechnology found that black pepper extract contains antivirulence properties, meaning it targets bacterial virulence without affecting cell viability, making drug resistance less likely. A study showed that after screening 83 essential oils, black pepper, cananga and myrrh oil inhibited Staphylococcus aureus biofilm formation and almost abolished the hemolytic destruction of red blood cells, activity of S. aureus bacteria. 5. Lowers blood pressure. When black pepper essential oil is taken internally, it may promote healthy circulation and even lower high blood pressure. An animal study published in the Journal of Cardiovascular Pharmacology demonstrates how black pepper's active component, piperin, possesses a blood pressure lowering effect. Black pepper is known in Ayurvedic medicine for its warming properties that can be helpful to circulation and heart health when used internally or applied topically. Mixing black pepper oil with cinnamon or turmeric essential oil can enhance these warming properties. 6. Exhibits anti-cancer activity. According to a 2010 study conducted at Michigan State University, black pepper extract and its constituents exhibit anti-inflammatory, antioxidant and anti-cancer activities. Researchers found that the piperin and alkylamides found in black pepper both had dose-dependent abilities to inhibit human cancer cell proliferation. 7. Eases feelings of anxiety and cigarette cravings. Black pepper oil may help reduce cravings for cigarettes and symptoms of anxiety in smokers deprived from smoking. A clinical study published in Drug and Alcohol Dependence found that black pepper oil can suppress certain smoking withdrawal symptoms, including cravings for cigarettes. 48 cigarette smokers participated in a 3-hour session conducted after overnight deprivation from smoking. Participants were divided into 3 groups. One group of smokers puffed on a device that delivered a vapor from black pepper essential oil. Second group puffed on a device with a menthol cartridge, and a third group used a device containing an empty cartridge. After puffing and inhaling from the devices throughout the session, reported cravings for cigarettes were significantly reduced in the black pepper group relative to each of the two control groups. 8. Helps detoxify the body. Black pepper, piperonigram, and piperin has been shown to have biotransformative effects, including detoxification and enhanced absorption and bioavailability of herbal and conventional drugs. This is why you may see piperin as an ingredient in your supplements. 9. Serves as an appetite stimulant. Research shows that olfactory stimulation using black pepper essential oil, which is a strong appetite stimulant, can facilitate swallowing in people with neurological disorders. Inhalation and ingestion of black pepper oil activates the insular or orbitofrontal cortex, resulting in improvement of the reflexive swallowing movement. 10. Can be used as food preservative. Black and green pepper essential oils were used in a 2015 in vitro study in order to figure out the antimicrobial activity against microorganisms that cause food spoilage. Researchers found that both pepper oils displayed antimicrobial, antifungal and antibacterial activity, and they successfully inhibited the growth of Staphylococcus aureus bacteria in chicken soup. Results of this study demonstrate how both green pepper and black pepper essential oils are efficient in controlling the growth of known food spoilage microorganisms. Yeah.